Okay, now I'm going to show you how to subtract in Excel. Like with any arithmetical function, you have a few options on how you do this in Excel, but we'll start with the easiest. So let's say I just want to subtract cell P5 from cell Q5. I can do equals Q5 minus P5. Nice and intuitive, just like you would think it would work. So that's the difference between those two cells. Now let's say I want to subtract O5 as well. I can do that. I can do minus O5. And there we go. I get my new number. Now if I want to make this a little easier on myself, if you have a bunch of cells you're trying to subtract here, this could get very cumbersome very quickly. So instead I'm going to do Q5 minus. I'm going to put a set of parentheses in here because just like pre-algebra from high school, you have to, and order of operations matters. So I'm going to do Q5 minus everything that's within these parentheses. So Q5 minus, then I'm going to do sum, open parentheses, and I'm just going to select the cells I want to sum, in this case just O5 through P5, close the parentheses, watch your parentheses. This first set here closes the sum function, and the second set closes the whole sum. So what I'm doing here quickly is I'm saying cell Q5 minus the total of cells O5 through P5. So if I add up cells O5 through P5, I want to subtract that from Q5, and there's my answer.